As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin give us here a green candle. Not very good. Actually, it came closer to all-time high here. Then it show us that rejection. That what the market telling us till now. Now, what the view? That very important guys. That video of today is very important. So make sure don't skip my friend. Because a lot of information is going to be here. If you want our daily update on all the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Sol, XRP, Doge, you can check our Patreon. The link of it is down. Now here, what is it the view guys? As me I mentioned here, there is something very important you need to focus about it. Look at that zone here where we touch today here is a very stronger zone here. There is one of two. Either that Bitcoin today, we're going to see a green candle here. That means we're going to give us a new all-time high. That possible. Second scenario, what is it? From here, we're going to see it dumping again to fall down to that zone here of 100k. Even that one is possible, guys. So all the scenarios is possible. Also, we don't care where it's going to go. Also, actually, we catching in it. Very nice trade yesterday. If you want to see it, we told you what to do. Now here. Same thing, nothing changed guys. We still have here, that one here, we showed it to you before. We told you we got here, that triangle here in daily, that one here, and here in the top, that one here. So if it's breaking above here, that's been more long. Second scenario, maybe from here going to fall down to test the lower of the triangle here. Even that one is possible, but the good news till now, as we got here, like a big double bottom guys, as you see it here. That one here is a big double bottom here, but not yet breaking here. Let's see if that Bitcoin in the coming days going to give us new all-time high. There being a lot of stops here. Today, all of them they get liquidated. We got something else here in Bitcoin in daily. Let me show it to you, which is very important. Let me show it to you. What we got, guys, is it that one here. Look at it here. The 20 moving average, he crossed above the 50. I'll show it to you in yesterday's video. I'll tell it to you. I told you guys. The 20 moving average, he crossed above the 50. And look at that. Now we go back official to a bull market. Let's see if that Bitcoin going to give us new all-time high. That's going to be very good sign. Let's see the end of this year, how we're going to end up. Because that no one know it guys, but in my view it looks like it's going to go more higher. I got some zones here in daily and mark them. Let me show it to you. The zones I got them, that one here with yellow, that one is at the Bitcoin option is at exactly at 113k. We tell it to you before, but we got here that two red ones, that one and that one here. Even those ones, I put them here. Let me tell you the levels of them, 114 and 116, 626. That two zones here, you need to focus about them. Friday, we are not going to close above 113k, guys. That, no doubt in it, we are not going to cross above 113k. If that happen, a lot of Bitcoin option going to be liquidated. And the market makers and big players, they will not allow that. So that the view, guys, in front of you. So I think I explained everything here. Now we're going to see fair and grid index, liquidity heat map, and Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, the fair and grid index. Today we got high grid, guys, as you see it here, 72. That one is very high grid today. You need to be careful, my friend. Look at it here, 72 is very high grid. Yes, extreme grid is it here, but even that one you need to be careful about it because extreme grid it came here when you reach into 80. That one here exactly, but now 72, even that one is very high, so you need to be careful what's going to happen in the coming days. But the only things I can tell you based on me, as I showed you before, based on the table down here, in the old fair and grid index we used to show you, me I used to make here at 70, a line like that, and here at 100 a line like that, or a square like that. Those was the zones I used to look at them. Now we are in the 70, guys, so you need to be careful. That's the only things I can say here. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in Bitcoin inflow and outflow, guys, or Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. Look at it. Yesterday, same thing. We told you BlackRock they are going to buy, and they buy 617 Bitcoin. Today, what happened? Grayscale, no action from them. BlackRock, not yet. We don't got the data of them. Fidelity, they bought 44 Bitcoin. ARK Investment, they bought 523. BITB, they bought 27. And Bitcoin, they bought 87, guys. That man, those people here, they know something is coming. That way they don't buy at this time. Even you need to be careful, my friend. Grayscale Mini, they bought 145. Those ones, I don't know where is it the brain of them. The total Bitcoin being bought today, 827. So that base here on Bitcoin ETF. Now let's go into see liquidity heat map what it's telling us, guys. Here we are, guys. Based on the liquidity heat map here in 24 hours, we got some stop losses above here, but then we got a lot of stop losses, guys, as you see it here. Now, which direction the market is going to go? Me, I'm thinking the market is going to fall down to liquidate those ones down here, because above we don't got a lot of stop losses, but let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours, because that's just a probability game, guys. There is nothing 100%, but to get clear picture, we go from 24 hours as every day to weekly to get the clear picture. Let's do it that together. Here we are in the weekly, guys. In the weekly, we don't got a lot of stop losses above here. Yes, even there is some stop losses, but now we got majority of stop losses down here at that zone here. Now, what is it, the view? I will not get surprised if I saw the market fall down to liquidate those stop losses down here at 106k, guys. Everything is possible those days. If you want early access or early update, we told you what to do. Check the description below, or go to our Patreon. You're going to find a lot of things there. But of course, if you want to be a part of our community. Now, let's go into see the coming news of today, guys. Coming news of today, guys. As you see it, that the coming news of today, we got Germany's CPI, initial jobless claim, and 30-year bond action. That one, none of them going to affect the market. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here in that channel. What else we used to say? Here, look at it, guys. All US indices, the closing yesterday candle green, everything looking great in the US stock market. Our friend down here, the VIX, look at it, 15.94. So everything still looking great. We haven't top up yet. Still more room till we reach to 12. You remember us, we've been saying that from 20, guys, and the VIX falling down. Now is at 15, and it's going to fall down more till 12. When it's going to reach to 12, that's the right time for you, my friend, and that's the top. That's the only things I'm supposed to say. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys, and I want to show you something before we reach in here. Look at those zones as we give you every day, guys. You see that zone here, we tell it to you 111, 959. You see the market, how it touch it and how it react there. That way also we give you those zones, guys, and we every day we're updating you by those zones. And you, if you are not a subscriber, you need to subscribe to our channel and to turn the bell notification on to receive our daily market update, my friend. If you want to be updated more quicker, you can join our free Telegram or our free Discord. Over there, you're going to be updated more quicker than here in YouTube. I'm talking here about daily videos. Now here, what is it, the view, guys? Base here on 12 hours, also we are in a very stronger zone here. As you see it touch it here. What's going to happen here? The 50 going to cross above the 100 moving average. That's very good news here. Levels or zones, you need to look close at them for today. Let me show it to you. Same zones, guys. We got that zone here, 111, 959. We got that zone here, 115, 640. And we got that one down here, 106, 990. Plus that one here, 102, 603. You remember in the start of the week, also we told you that the 3 levels for all the week, and you need to stick to them, my friend. Don't change them. That 3 levels here, those ones, the levels for all the week. Not the only thing. Now, let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, same thing. We still have here that uptrend like that. And here, you remember what else we used to say here or not? We used to make it like that, and you can go back and see the past videos. I used to tell you it touched lower here and it's going to go to touch the top of it here like that. Exactly, it happened, guys. You see it in front of you. The only thing now here, we got here like a small head and shoulder, guys. That one here. Even that one we show it to you, we told it's getting broke. That one here. You remember it? We showed it to you in the past videos. Look at it. That is telling you it's going to go more higher. The only thing that Bitcoin has got a lot of walls in the way. So every time you fight in them, now what the view? For short, you got here that uptrend like that. For long at this time, it's too dangerous to enter along, my friend. You need to wait a correction at least to that uptrend here. And from here, you try to catch another entry. Me and the people there with me, also we enter from low here, exactly from that peak here. Till here we're making very nice milk from it, guys. Even you can join us if you want to milk that cow, as we say it every day. Now what the view, as I show you, we got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys, all those moving averages detailing you the market is going to go more higher. Let's see the coming hours or coming days what that market going to do. Also, we are ready for all scenarios, guys. That's what else we doing. We show you, you remember we show you that one here. It was in yesterday thumbnail, that triangle here exactly. And we told if it's breaking here, do it like that. Actually, it's bringing the take profit of it 100%. You can go back in yesterday video and see it, guys. Look at it. Today it's breaking and bring you the take profit of it. Now, let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. Our indicator, guys, it's look like you got here a bearish divergence from that one here and that one here. It's look like is it a bearish divergence? So also we focus about that one. No, my friend, that one is very close to touch here extreme overbought area. So you need to be careful, my friend, about the coming thing. What that market going to do? Either it's going to touch it here, going to touch extreme overbought area. Second scenario, from here going to dump. Even that one is possible, guys. So also we are ready for all scenarios. No matter where is that cow going to go, also we're going to follow it and we milk it. Even you can be a part with us, my friend. I'm talking here about the private Discord community, and you started milking with us. That, of course, if you are interested, now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Ethereum, same thing. Still pumping here. Look at that uptrend here. Me, I draw it here. It's still pumping and still respected here. Me, the Ethereum, I haven't entered in it. I will be honest with you. And I said it in yesterday. I told you the reasons. I told you even if we got here, that head and shoulder here, that one exactly. We show it to you, even that one. But me, I told you, me, I'm not going to enter in it based on a lot of things. Now, it's look like it's pump. What is it the view? I'm going to show you a lot of things today. Now, what is it the view? We still have here that uptrend like that, guys. That one here, you see me how I draw it, guys. From the tail of the candle here, the tail of that one, and the tail of those ones here. What is it the view? You waiting that uptrend to be broke. That's when the market to fall down to it, either to break it for you to catch a short like that. That number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it, guys? Market to come here and to give you a candle with a big tail in that indicator there, or a lot of types of candles. You can join the free Discord, or down below in the description of that video there is a free course in our free Discord going to teach you everything about candlesticks or Japanese candlesticks. Go and watch that course. It's not a long course, about 30 something minutes. Go to it and watch it. It's going to teach you everything about candlesticks. Now, what is it the view? As I told you, if a candle came here and showing to you a rejection, maybe the market going to go more higher, but a correction to down here to that uptrend, it's coming, guys. Why? Let me show you here in the Ethereum in daily what it's saying today. Here in daily, guys, you see that zone here, the one where you are here, is going to be touched here. Then maybe that Ethereum going to make that correction here. You remember what also used to tell you is very good. It touched here the 200. It's need to come to break for you the last high here. Look at it, guys, here. Me, the Ethereum, I haven't internet. Me, as I started here the day one in that channel. Always being very transparent with you guys. When I lose, I share it. When something else, I share it. Me, the Ethereum, I miss it. I haven't internet. I think picture is very, very clear here. If you haven't understand something or you want me to explain to you something more, you can write it down in a comment and we're going to explain it to you more. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Based on our indicator, guys, you see, look at that zone here compared to that one here, and look at that one here in the chart compared to that one here. You got a big bearish divergence here. Yes, it's not yet completed, but you need to be careful because that one, when it touch extreme overbought area, you need to be careful from it, guys. Let me show it to you in the past what it's been doing when it touch extreme overbought area. Let me show it to you here. You see it, guys. It touches here. Exactly dump. It touches here. Exactly it pump. Now it touches again, guys, as you see it here. And we are in a very stronger zone, guys. You see that zone here? That's when I told you there is a correction coming to where and how you can catch it. We told you what to do. If you want to be real-time update, we told you you can join our private Discord where we share in there every 4 hours real-time update or real trend update. You can join us and benefiting from those things, my friend. But of course, if you are interested to access it, you need to pass via Patreon. Link of our Patreon is down. When you landed in Patreon, see the past videos, you're going to understand everything, and there is even a video in Patreon going to explain to you everything. So that's it for that Ethereum, guys. Now let's go into see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol still stuck, that one here. The only thing I can say, the Sol still stuck here. We got a big head and shoulder here. We haven't broken the neckline of it. That means there is nothing new here. But number one thing, now you can make something like that, like a uptrend like that, and wait it to be broke. And here in the top, you can make a triangle like that, and you wait it to be broke above here. That means if it's getting broke above, more long, if it fall down and breaking here, you can catch a shot. Everything is in front of you guys. That the only things here? No, we got a lot of things here. Let me show it to you here in the Sol in daily. The Sol here in the daily, guys, it's breaking that 50 moving average. What it's telling us, we are going to touch that 200 moving average, which is exactly at 164. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen, if it's going to dump or it's going to pump more. So also we are ready for all scenarios, guys. If that Sol going to go more higher or it's going to touch that 200 moving average like how it happened here in the past, then to dump. Even that one is possible. So also we are ready for everything, and we don't care which direction that market going to go, because also we milk it from all directions. Even you can milk with us, my friend. That of course, if you are interested, now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. Based on our indicator, guys, here in the Sol, is it in that zone here? Last time from here, it fell down in the normal RSI. Now we are at the extreme overbought area, but that one has got special setting that way it hasn't touched it. What shall we do, guys? Should we enter a short? Me personally, I'm not going to enter a short now in the Sol. Yes, is it in a very stronger zone, but as I've been teaching you here in that channel from the start of it, that 4 years, I tell it to you, we need 3 things, guys: price action, a zone, and a confirmation from an indicator. Till now, we got only 2 indicator and the zone. So we need the third confirmation and the most important confirmation, which is the price action. Till now, we don't got one, so we need to wait extra time. Also, we are like hunters, guys. We're waiting till we get the best entry. That's what us we doing every time. Now, let's go into see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. Here in the XRP, look at it here. We got here that uptrend like that. What that telling you, guys? We're still in an uptrend here. What shall we do? Because it's breaking for us. That's head and shoulder. Even the one we showed it to you before, that's head and shoulder here. We showed it to you before. But the XRP is in a very stronger zone. Let me show it to you in daily, guys. As you see, the XRP here in daily, it's breaking for us that 200 moving average. What that telling us? Also, we are going back to that zone here, guys. That one here, exactly 2.60. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days or coming hours, because that 260 is a very stronger zone for XRP, same like that one down here. Also, we've been talking about before at $2 exactly. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, same thing, is very close to touch here, extreme overbought area. That technically is telling us we are going to go more higher, and the XRP going to go till 260. And from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. At this time, also we stay in here. You remember in the past videos what me I used to say, only in a bull market there is no bears, and that's what happened, guys. We're still in a bull market. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. By the way, you watching me now. I know you watched the video from the start till here, but you haven't smashed that like button. Why, my friend? Go now, smash that like button. It's meant a lot to us. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much. Here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys, the Bitcoin here tried to give us here a price action. You remember in yesterday what else we told you? We showed you here an uptrend here. It's getting broke here. It fell down here. Give us here a bullish divergence in 5 minutes. We tell it to the people they following us. Here, that one here, a downtrend here. Also, we haven't entered in it because us already got a long from down here. Is it like swing trading? It just hitting for us today the first target. Now, what the view here? Market try to give you here like a triple top, a pennant, a flag, but it's not 100% yet. Now, what shall you do if you don't got nothing? You can come to that last high here and wait the market to come to break it here, to go more higher. That number one scenario. Second scenario, you do like that, guys, like a small pin out here, and you wait it if it's going to be broke here. Even that one it's possible, but me, I'm not going to enter from here. I need to wait till the right time. That's the only things I can say here, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it touch here, extreme overbought area. What that telling us? It's telling us maybe that market going to dump zone. Also, we're in a very stronger zone. Also, we're coming from daily 12 hours, 4 hours. All those zones, they are very stronger zone. Should we enter a short? Me personally, I'm waiting a price action. Without price action here, there is no short, guys. And also, we are waiting until the right time. When it came, we're going to catch a short. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. In another video, guys. Bye for now.